Hey, no low facts fans! Today we're looking at some of the best pickup trucks and the innovative engineering that goes into them. You might even find something useful for your own vehicle. Let's get started! Enhance your Rivian R1T's outdoor experience with Range Industries Camp Kitchen, a premium accessory designed to fit seamlessly into your vehicle's gear tunnel. This innovative kitchen setup features an 1800-watt dual-burner induction cooktop, providing efficient and safe cooking capabilities powered directly by your truck's battery. A collapsible sink is included, with provisions to easily incorporate a water tank and faucet, making it simple to wash vegetables or do dishes. The kitchen also offers ample storage compartments for utensils and cookware, along with removable HDPE cutting board prep surfaces for convenient meal preparation. Constructed with a 5052 aluminum main structure, it ensures durability while minimizing added weight. Installation is straightforward, and the modular design allows for quick setup or stowing in under a minute, making it an ideal companion for your outdoor adventures. The Utemaster TrailCore service body is built for those who demand strength, versatility, and convenience. Its innovative 4-in-1 flooring system provides flexible storage, whether you need open space, underfloor compartments, or a sliding drawer for easy access. Made from heavy-duty aluminum, this service body is lightweight yet incredibly strong. Utemaster's truck beds can even handle up to 3 tons of weight. They've even launched a rocket from one of their truck beds, proving their unmatched durability. The design includes large door openings and a drop-down central floor, making loading and unloading effortless. Built-in locks add extra security, while the modular design ensures it adapts to both work and off-road adventures. Weatherproof seals keep your gear safe from dust and water, no matter the conditions. With a sleek look that's ready for custom branding, the TrailCore is a game-changer for anyone who needs a tough, practical, and secure storage solution. The RamBox cargo management system is a smart and secure way to store your gear in select Ram trucks. Designed for convenience, the system provides up to 8.6 cubic feet of lockable weatherproof storage, ensuring your tools and valuables stay safe and dry. Each compartment includes a drain plug, allowing it to double as a cooler for outdoor trips. The built-in LED lighting makes it easy to find items, even in low-light conditions. With the all-secure central locking system, you can lock and unlock your storage remotely using your key fob. The 115-volt power outlet on the driver's side adds extra convenience for charging tools and devices. Plus, the cargo bed rails with adjustable tie-down cleats help keep your load secure on any adventure. The Swivelwheel ECO trailer stands out for its single wheel, but what a wheel it is. It swivels like a shopping cart wheel, making maneuvering a breeze, especially when backing up. This trailer can carry up to 227 kilograms, which makes it perfect for hauling gear like motorcycles, camping equipment, or generators. Its deck measures 48 inches wide by 57.5 inches long, with a sturdy, powder-coated steel frame for durability. The torsion suspension system ensures a smooth ride, while 8 built-in tie-down points keep cargo secure. Designed for vehicles with a Class 2 receiver hitch, it's a compact and efficient transport solution. Upgrade your truck for the ultimate adventure with the Tufport Overlander, a lightweight and durable slide-in camper. Designed for mid-size and full-size trucks, it features a one-piece fiberglass shell that prevents leaks, rot, and mold. With an aerodynamic design, it reduces wind resistance, improving fuel efficiency on long trips. The unit measures 3.2 by 1.8 by 1.7 meters, providing enough space for 2 people to relax comfortably. It comes equipped with 100-watt solar panels, insulation, and built-in lighting for all-season comfort. The coast-to-coast layout even includes a refrigerator and kitchenette for added convenience. Weighing as little as 750 pounds, it's built for efficiency without compromising durability. Whether you're camping in the wild or hitting the road, the Overlander is ready for any adventure. Transporting loose materials like sand or gravel in a pickup can be quite a hassle. Luckily, Sealey has developed a solution to make unloading much simpler with the truck bed cargo unloader. This heavy-duty unloader can handle loads of up to 900 kilograms, making it perfect for removing bulk materials with ease. It securely attaches to your tailgate without the need for drilling or modifications, keeping your truck in top condition. The easy-to-use crank system allows you to unload cargo smoothly, reducing physical strain. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, even in demanding work environments. Whether you're handling soil, mulch, or construction materials, this unloader saves time and effort on every job. SmartCap is a durable modular truck cap made from automotive-grade stainless steel, offering strength and versatility for any adventure. Unlike traditional fiberglass caps, its 5-piece design allows for easy assembly and customization. The cap features gull-wing side doors, which are 17% taller than standard caps, making truck bed access more convenient. Integrated roof rails provide support for rooftop tents, bikes, and kayaks, while a positive pressure air vent keeps dust out. It can handle up to 150 kilograms while driving and 350 kilograms when stationary, making it perfect for heavy gear. SmartCap is available in different models, including the adventure version with MOLA panels and the commercial version with solid doors for extra security. Its weather-resistant sealing ensures protection from rain, snow, and dust. Plus, it can be installed or removed in just 15 minutes, giving you ultimate flexibility. The Honda Ridgeline is packed with smart features that make hauling and storage easier than ever. Its dual-action tailgate opens downward like a traditional tailgate, or swings open to the side for easy access. With a 300-pound load capacity, it's built to handle heavy gear. The in-bed trunk offers 7.3 cubic feet of lockable storage, perfect for keeping tools, groceries, or camping gear secure. Its design includes a drain plug, so it can double as an ice chest for tailgating or outdoor adventures. The trunk's wide floor space ensures you can fit larger items with ease. Whether you're transporting work supplies or weekend essentials, this system is built for convenience. With these innovations, the Ridgeline transforms any trip into a hassle-free experience. Make loading and unloading easier with the decked CargoGlide 600, a rugged sliding cargo tray built for efficiency. Designed for truck beds and cargo vans, it supports up to 600 pounds of evenly distributed weight, making it perfect for hauling heavy gear. With a 75% extension, you can access your tools and equipment without climbing into your truck bed. The 63-inch long, 24-inch wide tray features a 3/4-inch marine-grade plywood deck for durability and a smooth sliding motion. Its steel and aluminum construction ensures long-lasting strength, even in tough conditions. A convenient grab-and-pull handle allows for easy operation, while the updated decked design adds a sleek look. Whether for work or adventure, this cargo slide delivers organization and convenience. The F250 Super Duty is built as the ultimate blue-collar dream truck, standing out even at SEMA, where the world's best vehicles are showcased. This pickup stole the spotlight as the main attraction at Ford's booth, and for good reason. Ford collaborated with Boxo USA, known for its premium toolboxes, and DeBerti design, famous for custom builds and detailing. Together, they transformed the truck into a mobile workshop. Lift the fenders to reveal built-in tools, remove the rear bumper, and you'll find a hidden welder. Under the hood, it packs serious power with a 6.7-liter diesel V8, producing 900 horsepower. It features all-wheel drive, a 6-speed torque-shift automatic transmission, and rides on 37-inch tires wrapped around bold 17-inch rims. Turn your truck into the ultimate camping setup with the Kodiak Canvas Truck Bed Tent. Made from 100% cotton duck canvas with HydroShield technology, it's both breathable and waterproof, keeping you dry in any weather. The sturdy steel tube frame secures tightly to your truck bed without the need for drilling, ensuring a hassle-free setup. With a spacious 5-foot ceiling height, you'll have plenty of room to move comfortably. 5 windows and 2 vents provide excellent airflow, while no CM mesh keeps insects out. A large D-shaped door with heavy-duty YKK zippers makes access easy and secure. It's available for mid-size and full-size trucks, fitting bed lengths from 5 to 8 feet. Whether you're on a weekend getaway or a rugged outdoor adventure, This tent delivers durability and comfort. Let's check out the ARB HardLid, a tough and stylish truck bed cover built for dual cab pickups. Made from 3mm powder-coated aluminum, it's strong enough to handle a 150-kilogram dynamic load while driving, making it perfect for carrying gear on top. When parked, it can support up to 380 kilograms, providing a sturdy base for rooftop tents and heavy equipment. The 4-bar hinge system allows the lid to open smoothly, giving easy access to your truck bed. A key-lockable latch and gas assist struts ensure security and effortless operation. The built-in T-slot rails make it compatible with a range of accessories for added versatility. An integrated interior light improves visibility, even in low-light conditions. Plus, a weatherproof seal keeps your cargo safe from dust and water, making it ideal for both work and adventure. The 454 Motorsports Bravo 2 is a heavy-duty removable tire cage designed for off-road enthusiasts and professionals. Built from 1.75-inch tubing, it provides a strong and secure mount for 2 spare tires, along with space for a floor jack and recovery gear. The cage accommodates tires between 35 and 37 inches and features pre-drilled mounting plates compatible with Pro Eagle jacks. Its tool-free removal system allows quick access to the truck bed whenever needed. The design also supports additional accessories like CO2 tanks and fire extinguishers for added convenience. Available in powder-coated or raw finishes, the Bravo 2 offers durability and customization options. Optional heavy-duty straps ensure a firm hold, even in rough conditions. The Tmat cargo management system is a versatile solution designed to organize and secure items in your truck bed, trailer, or van. It features a heavy-duty mat with a smooth surface, allowing for easy sliding of cargo into place. The system includes 4 solid blockers and 2 adjustable blockers that can be arranged around your tools and equipment to prevent movement during transit. Assembly is quick and tool-free, taking less than 5 minutes without the need for drilling or vehicle modifications. The mat measures up to 8 feet by 4 feet, fitting standard truck beds and accommodating various cargo sizes. Additionally, the Tmat system is made in America, ensuring high-quality construction and durability. The Riversmith River Quiver 4-banger is a high-quality rooftop fly rod holder designed for serious anglers. It securely holds up to 4 fully assembled fly rods, accommodating lengths of up to 10 feet. Made from durable AES polymer, it is both lightweight and resistant to corrosion, ensuring long-lasting performance. The aerodynamic design minimizes wind resistance while driving, keeping your rods safe and secure. Multiple mounting options, including standard mount, LT T-track mount, and quick release mount, make it compatible with various vehicle roof racks. A lockable latch system provides extra security, protecting your valuable gear during transport. The tongue and groove joint keeps everything firmly in place, even on rough roads. The UnderCover Swing Case Truck Bed Toolbox is a versatile storage solution designed to enhance the functionality of your truck bed. Constructed from lightweight, high-impact ABS plastic, it offers durability without adding significant weight. The toolbox is engineered to hold up to 75 pounds of tools or cargo, ensuring ample capacity for essential gear. Its unique design allows the case to swing out 180 degrees toward the tailgate, providing easy access to your equipment without the need to climb into the truck bed. A lockable lid enhances security, while a moisture-resistant seal helps keep contents dry and protected from the elements. Installation is straightforward, requiring no special tools, and the toolbox is compatible with most tonneau covers, making it a practical addition to any truck setup. Take your adventures to the next level with the Lion Caravan Sabre demountable camper, a lightweight and versatile pickup camper built for exploration. Weighing just 490 kilograms, it keeps your truck agile while providing a comfortable living space. Its compact design features a 2.90-meter length, 1.87-meter width, and a 2.20-meter height, offering plenty of room without weighing you down. The 1.82-meter interior height ensures a spacious feel inside. Designed to mount easily on most modern pickups, it's perfect for off-road trips and remote getaways. Inside, you'll find everything you need, including a cassette toilet, heater, hob, mains electric, and an outside shower. With double glazing and a water heater, it's built for all-season comfort. Whether you're heading into the mountains or camping by the coast, the Sabre is ready for the journey. The Load-It rear boat loader is a smart and efficient way to transport your boat without the hassle of heavy lifting. Designed to handle boats up to 400 pounds, it works with aluminum, fiberglass, and inflatable boats up to 16 feet long. The frame is built from aircraft-grade aluminum, making it strong yet lightweight, while stainless steel hardware ensures durability. A wireless remote control lets you load and unload your boat effortlessly, with a backup wired remote for reliability. The system is compatible with pickup trucks, SUVs, motorhomes, and trailers, making it perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. 4 automatic tie-down ropes keep your boat secure while driving. The motor is positioned under the boat, protecting it from dirt and weather conditions. Installation is simple, and most users can set it up in just one day. The NeoDyne motorcycle ramp and cargo loading system makes loading your bike effortless and safe. Made from aerospace-grade 6061 T6 aluminum, it is both lightweight and incredibly strong. Its innovative power tilt feature tilts the ramp to a horizontal position outside the vehicle, making it easy to load even in tight spaces. With a maximum load capacity of 550 kilograms, it supports a wide range of motorcycles and other equipment. The system operates using a standard 18-volt or 24-volt cordless drill, removing the need for extra batteries or complex wiring. It's compatible with loading heights up to 1.5 meters with extenders for added versatility. Accessories like adapters for 3-wheel scooters and snowmobiles expand its functionality. Whether for work or adventure, this system simplifies cargo loading like never before. The DT1000L is a robust dog crate, specifically designed for pickup truck beds, offering a secure and comfortable space for your canine companions during transit. Constructed from high-quality materials, this crate ensures durability and longevity, making it ideal for outdoor and working dogs. Its design includes ample ventilation to maintain airflow, keeping your dogs cool and comfortable. The crate's dimensions are tailored to fit seamlessly into various pickup models, providing a snug fit that maximizes space efficiency. Additionally, the DT1000L features secure locking mechanisms to prevent accidental openings, ensuring your pets remain safe during travel. That's all for today, friends. Which inventions impressed you most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time for more amazing tools and gadgets. See you soon!